going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, I'm out in the garage and I'm getting this factory undercoating off. Man, what a mess. Look at this. Oh yeah, baby, it's a mess. It's a mess. Let me turn this around. Yeah, buddy, yep, I'm back. Oh boy, I'm telling you, this thing makes a mess. I'll show you here. But we getting her, man. We getting her, you know, but I got safety third, right? So I got my safety glasses on, got me mask on, you know. Holy boy, I tell you what, and I've been shot with those little needles all over the place, but I think we got her. Yes, I do. I think we got her done. And it's really cool because I see some date codes on the inner fender. So, man, you know this car's solid. Let me turn you around here. Oh, yeah, if you look right here, you see the date codes, you know, which is pretty cool, huh? Oh, yeah, baby. So we got this thing nice and cleaned up. You know, I still got to get a little better in here, and back here. But shoot, man, it looks good. Yeah. Oh, man, I'm really liking this. So we're getting close, man. We're getting close. Oh, yeah, baby. So we're going to be putting some epoxy primer on it, but not tonight. I think I'm done for the night because I am wore out. Yeah, baby. So, yeah, this thing has made a lot of mess. So I'm going to get in here and clean up and get my shop vac in here and get some of this stuff picked up. Oh, yeah. Anywho. I'm still getting picked. Yeah, I probably got some more in here somewhere. But anyhow, guys, I appreciate you watching. I'm going to get in the house. I'm going to take a shower, and then I'll bring you back, and I'll finish this up, and we'll talk about what we need to get done. Yeah, buddy. Wow, do I ever feel better. I had that junk in places that I don't want to talk about. But anyhow, I feel better. I'm not so itchy anymore. But anyhow, guys, I'm getting this close to being done, getting the underneath that car cleaned up. So I'm really thinking I'm going to throw some epoxy primer on there, or there's a paint out there that has a primer in it. I might try that. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I have to do some research on it and find out. I think Pete DIY Body Shop or whatever it's called, he was talking about it once before. So I'm going to find out from him and find out exactly what he used when he did this 66 or 65 Mustang. I'm not quite sure what it was. But it had a built-in primer. So I may go with that. But as of right now, I'm thinking that I'm going to epoxy it and then paint it and do something similar to that. I'm not quite sure. I still got some research to do. Or if you guys know, man, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Some of you guys that's done that before or whatnot, because I really don't know what's out there. I know Eastwood's got some stuff out there. It looks pretty good. But I would rather have something come from one of you guys, you know, because Eastwood's, they're just out trying to sell something. You know, you guys, you'd be more helpful to me, I believe. So, you know, yeah, let me know what you think. But I really think that I'm going to epoxy because I'm down to bare metal in a lot of places. And I don't want to mess up. I want to do it right the first time and be done with it. You know, I got my Harbor Freight paint gun, so I'm ready to go, man. So I'm pretty close to getting that cleaned up. I don't think I'm going to have to pressure wash that thing because I don't know if I want to put water to bare metal. You know what I'm saying? I guess I could if I dried it off good and this and that, but I don't know. It's been a long time since I've painted anything. So yeah, I'd appreciate it if you just talk to me and let me know what you guys think about how I should paint the bottom of that Fairmont, you know. But I'm getting close. So once I get that thing going, then I'm getting real close. I'm working it. So guys, I appreciate you taking the time out and watching my video. You guys are awesome, man. Every single one of you guys. And I really appreciate you. You guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this video. And I will get back with you soon. I'm on afternoons, like I told you before, so I'm going to try to do some work on the Fairmont during the mornings because I really want to get this primered up or painted or whatever I'm going to do, so that way none of that stuff starts rusting. And I think it's really cool, you know. I mean, I've got all that stuff off there, and you can see the date codes in the inner fender well. I thought that was pretty awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time you watch this.